The 4E error code on a Samsung top-loader washing machine indicates a problem with water flowing from the supply hose. This issue is triggered during the first phase of the washing cycle, when the water supply isn't completed, causing an alarm to sound and the machine to stop automatically. The remaining time indicator displays the 4E error code. Common causes of this code include low water supply, a clogged water hose, and a faulty water level sensor installation. If the water supply source is low, it can compromise water flow into the machine. A clogged water hose, often caused by dirt and detergent buildup, can also lead to this issue. Although rare, a water level sensor installation problem can cause the 4E error code. To fix this issue, several solutions can be applied. Resetting the machine often resolves the problem. This can be done by switching the washer off for a few minutes and then turning it back on. Checking the water supply is also essential. Ensuring the water supply pipes at the back of the washer are tightly connected and not bent is crucial. Additionally, turning on the water faucets completely and allowing them to run for 10 to 15 minutes before using the machine can help. If the issue stems from a clogged water hose, checking the hose mesh filter for blockages and cleaning it regularly can prevent buildup. Securing the water level sensor by plugging the pipe back and using tube mounting to secure it can also resolve the problem. If the issue persists, restarting the washing machine and checking for any defects, such as bending or cracks in the pipe, may be necessary. In some cases, contacting the Samsung Customer Service Center for a replacement may be required.